Welcome back, guys. Today we're out here at John's Rootbeer in my hometown of Waukesha, Wisconsin. I'm with my friend Anthony, and we're gonna show you guys this place. This place is like a classic in this city. They sell root beer, they sell hot dogs, whatever. Let's just get into it. You ready?
Yeah. All right, let's go.
That makes you.
All right, order chili cheese dog with French fries, cheese curds, diet root beers, and yeah, we'll see how this tastes.
Thank you. Yes. I'm ready to wait till November.
One of them. Alright, that's yours.
Bacon chili dog.
Oh, I've got the chili cheese. Look at this. Oh. So how much was it? This is all like 25 bucks. But yeah, this is the deal. Welcome to Waukesha, guys. Put some cheese on it.
Not the bacon I expected.
That's gonna be the title.
I'm happy with this bacon.
That's gonna be the title of the video. This is not the bacon that I was.
It's like bacon bits, but they're really crispy and warm.
Yeah. So anyway, Anthony, him and I, we go way back. So a little introduction to him. Not just some random guy that.
That's my whole introduction.
But yeah, as far as these VR video goes, I'm just doing like random shit right now, like this. So I'm just doing whatever. But so as a VR user, especially if you're in a headset, let me know what kind of stuff you want to see, how I can improve these videos, because I'm not even sure I'm in focus right now. It's kind of difficult to tell, but I'm trying to pump these out for you guys. So let me know so I can be more efficient at what I shoot. Right now I'm just shooting literally everything. So yeah. We're gonna dig in and finish this up. Oh wait, I didn't even try this yet.
Yeah, I'm already like done.
You don't give me napkins?
No, they don't give me napkins. They must be around the corner.
Yeah, oh.
I can check after I get this out of my hand.
Alright. Yeah, but this is fire. The nacho cheese and the chili.
I know what it's like. You might even give them.
You want me to feed you? Feed up.
It's weird. Alright guys, well, thanks for chilling with us, enjoying some of this food with us, shooting the shit. And like I said, make sure to leave in the comments what you want to see from me so I can be more efficient, and anything like viewer experience wise that you have issues with or that you enjoy or whatever, let me know as well, because like I said, I'm just beginning to do this right now with the whole VR thing, so I need like your guys' input. I have a headset myself, so I review this stuff myself as well, but I need more input from you guys so I can make it 100% perfect going on out. So, got anything to say?
No, better than I expected.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, go follow him at Anthony Not Scott. Alright guys, don't forget to